How to add a pin on your Pinterest. So in this video we show you how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So first you need to open your Pinterest like this. After this, come here to create. Click on pin and choose a picture, for example this picture, and you have to give it the title, for example I don't know, for example artist. Say something on your description. I don't know, I would just add and alt text. I don't know, and click next. And if you wanna add your website link, click next, and that's it. So guys, when I go now, I will found this. Click here, and that's it. And right now when I go to my profile, I found it. So I hope guys this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.